Hello everyone, Clinton here. Welcome to the channel. In case you're joining us for the first time, you're welcome. And I also appreciate all of you, my subscribers out there, and I really love you all. Okay, so guys, in today's video, I'm going to be talking about how you can be able to go around this stuff called the Binance Launchpad, Binance Launchpool. Launchpool is it's a kind of program whereby you have to allocate some of your BNB or BUSD or any other token that the pool is going to be featuring. So once you allocate some part of your token into the pool, you can actually earn token that are sponsoring that current pool. For instance, now there is a pool called let me just go over here. The current launch pool that is actually farming right now is this one called the hash flow. Okay, so for that stuff, actually all you have to do is just to allocate your BUSD or your BNB. Some of all these other launch pool that has actually been completed, like the previous one, which was Galaxy. You were able to also stake your cake into the pool, BNB and BUSD. Okay, guys, this is just basically something you should know if ever you are looking towards going into the Binance the Binance pool stuff. And there is something else I would like to talk about. This Binance pool, actually it lasts for actually 30 days, and within that 30 days you are able to actually redeem some of your token that you've earned, and you can actually also just redeem your token that you have staked. It's a flexible kind of a thing whereby it's not going to be fixed to a certain number of days that you can actually be into the pool. Okay guys, that's all about launch pool. So coming over to launchpad, this one is kind of more of buying a token at a cheaper price using your BNB. Okay, when there is a launchpad project launching, they are going to tell you also that you can actually buy into this launchpad at your own risk, but basically from the previous project that was being hosted by Binance on the launchpad, you can actually see that a lot of those coins that were in the project after they actually launched, they were actually people that were actually involved in the stuff. They actually saw a profit out of the token, like buying it with a BNB before it launched and then selling it off, or you can hold it for as long as you actually want. So that one actually lasts for kind of 7 days, and Binance is going to actually tell you this is the maximum you can actually buy into the project, and this is the minimum you can actually buy, which is 0.1 BNB. Okay guys, I'm going to go into in depth on these two major terms we have on this table, launchpad and the launch pool. So I'm going to show you how you can actually locate the Binance launchpad launch pool on your mobile phone, and then I'm going to go over to the website, which is the web version, and I'm going to make an in-depth explanation about it. So currently now, this is our mobile version. All you have to do is just to click on the launchpad that is just on the home page here. If ever you can't find the launchpad there, click on more, go over to N. From N, you can actually see the launchpad. If it's not on your home page, you can actually just add it to your home page. Click this edit button here, go over to N and click on launchpad. Currently mine is grayed out because it's already on the home page. Okay, so click on the launchpad, and currently once you click on launchpad, this is the Binance token launch platform. So this is the one that's currently running 26 days gone. And when you go over to this part, you can see you can allocate your BNB or your BUSD. Minimum BUSD you can allocate to 0.1, same as the BNB. Okay, so this is the launchpad. The last project that was actually launching this launch platform was this called the GMT Step N. Okay, so actually you were able to buy 1 GMT for actually 0.00002514. As of this time, that this BNB was actually when BNB was actually $430 per BNB, you will be spending actually $0.01, if I'm not mistaken, to actually get 1 GMT as of that time. But currently now the price of GMT is roughly 0.5 or thereabout. I'm just going to show you guys that in the other section of this tutorial, which is the web version. Okay, this is how to check it, and if ever you want to, like, you can just click on launchpad. This is a launchpad. Click on launchpool. This is launchpool. This is the current one running right now. This is a history, and you can actually just play around that. You want to stake, you just click on the pool you want to join. Let's say BUSD pool. Once you click BUSD pool, you can actually just you can actually redeem your BUSD, or you can actually just stake more. And this farming period is 30 days. Like I said, you have the ability to actually redeem your token or redeem your staked funds back to your spot wallet. Okay, this is just everything. I am actually in this pool, but I don't have any it's not showing me actually my bonus, my reward that I can claim, because it's way low than 0.00004. Okay, so I'm going to show you. If you want to actually see what you're earning, go over to wallet, and then you have to go over to earn, and from here you're going to see BUSD launch pool hash flow. This is my this is my reward from here actually. Okay, this is everything about the mobile version. No much thing here to talk about. All right, going over to the desktop version, which I'm really interested in. So from here, how to locate it, go over to N, click on launchpad. Once you click on launchpad, you are going to see actually this is the launchpad currently. And once you click on this part that says BUSD pool, you are going to be into this homepage of this farming of hash flow. And from here it says 2 days and 19 hours until this token is going to be listed. So within this period of you staking, you can't be able to trade the token until it's been listed, and whatsoever token you have here as reward will go over to your spot wallet. You can actually trade it there. If you want to check out your launch pool history, and there's something I forgot to mention from the very beginning. Once you are involved in the launch pool, you are going to be actually getting your rewards every 1 hour. So depending on how much of the BUSD or BNB you stake, you are going to actually get a percentage of that amount you staked, and they're going to distribute to you how much of that token you can be getting, equivalent to the amount of BUSD or BNB you staked in the pool. So this is how to check out your distribution history. So currently now we're here. Okay guys, moving over to the Binance pool. Binance launchpad. We're going to the Binance launchpad. So this part is kind of a little bit different from the launch pool in the sense that you do not actually put your assets into a pool and you earn some reward. You are actually like buying into the project using your BNB, and buying into the project like this. You can actually sell the token later on after the 7 days of the whole process. So I'm going to have a short explanation of that here. So let's say, for instance, this last one that was being sponsored here, I'm going to go into it, and from here you can see a BNB holding a calculation period, subscription period, calculation period, and the final token distribution. So from here, Binance is going to actually take a snapshot of how much BNB you actually have within this period of time, and when it comes to the subscription period, that they're going to actually calculate how much BNB you'll be able to allocate into this project during the calculation period. This is going to be based on how much BNB is in your wallet. Actually, any of your wallets that carries BNB is good, but a single investment initial investment must be 0.1 or above, and the maximum hard cap per user is 37 BNB. All right, so you're going to be buying 1 GMT for approximately 0.0000 BNB, which is up which is almost it's not going to be up to 0.1 USD if I'm not mistaken. So I'm going to take you guys over to this website called the coins market cap. So over to the once we're in the coins market cap, make sure you are using the official coins market cap, and we're just going to go ahead and check out this coin. I've already searched it before. So from here now, this is the current price of this token, but during the launch, I'm gonna just use the calendar during February. Let me take it from February 15 over to March 9. Okay, continue. So now they're going to show me the data of the price. Okay, the lowest it got to was actually 0.13, and if you check the price of BNB as of when you bought that time, BNB was around, the highest BNB got as of that point was $430. Okay, so if you can be able to buy a token at that price and then coming over to immediately after the launch, okay, immediately after the launch, actually you can actually be selling it at 0.15, or if you wait a little bit longer, you can be selling it at 0.17. and this is just basically all you have to know. Okay, coming over to the 1 year graph, you can see that it was at 0.16, and you actually bought at 0.01 or less if I'm not mistaken. So you can actually see that after coming over to this is April, this is May, yeah, it's actually got to this point of $2. It actually got to this point of 3, and it's actually got to 4. So guys, even at the lowest as of today I'm talking to you, it is actually at 0.5. so you can see that buying into this launchpad is actually going to be profitable on the long run. Okay guys, I think this is everything I'm going to be talking about related to the Binance Launchpool and Binance Launchpad. I'll be making more videos about topics like this to give you guys an in-depth explanation about what you have to know and what you have to be watching out for. Alright guys, if you find this video interesting, it's helped you, give it a like and drop a comment in the comment section. You can actually consider subscribing to the channel. Okay, have a nice day. Thank you for watching this video, and see you guys on the next one.